Hey everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video, we'll try and understand an important GST advisory which was shown up on the GST portal on 20th of November 2025. And this was on the updation of the bank details for those who have recently obtained their GST registration. And this is as per rule number 10A of the CGST rules 2017. Now what this advisory says was sort of like a reminder was that under rule number 10A, once you obtained a GST registration certificate, that's once you complete the process of GST registration, you have a period of 30 days to obtain a bank account, to update the bank details, or before filing GSTR1, whichever is earlier, you need to update the details of the bank account. So once you obtain a GST registration certificate, either within 30 days or before filing GSTR1, whichever is earlier, within that particular date, you need to update the details of the bank account on the GST portal. And this is as per rule number 10A, which is already existing. But the intent of this advisory was just to give a reminder. Now, what is the procedure? You log on to the GST portal, you go to Services tab, then you go to the Registration tab. And under Registration, you go to a particular option called Amendment of Non-Core Field, because updating the bank details is a non-core option. There you go to the bank account segment and you enter the number of bank accounts you want to be saved, the account type, the account number, bank details and all that. And in the next screenshot, you'll get to understand that you have to enter the account number, the type of account, either a current account or a savings account or a cash credit account, the IFSC code, and as the proof for the bank details being entered, you need to either upload a bank statement copy or a copy of a cancelled check for the GST authorities to approve the details of the bank account. Now, the main objective of updating the bank account on the GST portal is that in future, if you tend to get any GST refund, whether you have accumulated input tax credit or you paid extra GST and now you want a refund of the same, the department will refund the extra GST paid to this particular bank account, the details of which you updated on the GST portal. That is the main intent. It is not for making payments as such. It is for receiving the extra GST that you have to get once you apply for a GST refund application. What are the consequences if you have not updated your bank details within 30 days of GST registration or before filing GSTR1, whichever was earlier? Rule number 21 says that if you violated with rule number 10A, which is for bank details updation, then your registration will be subject to cancellation by the GST officer. Rule number 21A says that once you have violated rule number 21, then first they'll send a notice for suspension of the registration, giving you an opportunity to correct the mistake and probably update your bank details. And still, if you have not adhered to that particular instruction, then they'll go for a cancellation. So first will be suspension and then cancellation by the GST officer. So this is required to be followed if you don't want any kind of disruption on the business activities that you intend to do, because once you obtain a registration, the intent is to get a GST registration and then update the bank details as soon as possible within a period of 30 days. Well, I hope I was able to make things clear through this particular video. If you like the video, you could show support to us by hitting the like button. If you want more videos like these on a regular basis through way of notifications, you could also think of hitting on the subscribe button. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and thank you.